Many small things can have a big impact. No, I'm not talking about boils on my butt or pimples on my face. But this is about bits of used filament scattered near the printer's plate. The story begins when I was about to print something with an Ender 3 V3KE. After starting the print, I immediately left the machine. A few hours later, when I was about to retrieve the print, I noticed the object failed to print. My Ender 3 V3KE magnetic plate was scratched by the nozzle. It was injured but not bleeding. I noticed the plate was uneven, as if something was stuck underneath, and it turned out to be true. There were bits of leftover filament stuck in the plate. Because I left the machine before printing, I couldn't see what happened next. So for those of you with printers that use magnetic plates, always pay attention to the cleanliness of the area around the machine. Check the heat bed and under the plate to make sure there are no objects, no matter how small, stuck to it. This will damage the machine's build plate and the nozzle. Overall, it will affect the machine's performance.